At first glance, you might start thinking it's some type of native basket, but it's actually a unique fish trap that's only made by one man. It's the fish trap that doesn't need any bait. Say hello to the Hinambonan Bubo. The invention of fish traps is almost universal. Going back as far as 3,000 years, different cultures have developed their own kind of special fish traps. Fish traps are still being used today. In Bantayan, Cebu, the art of fishing is a way of life. Bantayanons have the Hinambonan Bubo, a fish trap made entirely of bamboo strips with a cone-shaped tunnel that's designed to trap fish. It's also one of a kind since only one person makes this kind of fish trap, an expert on creating fish traps, Crisologo Pepito. He says that his type of fish trap is superior to plastic ones because of its ability to attract fish through the lumot or moss that grows on the bamboo, which serve as bait to catch fish.
Ang lumot ba, kumano yung kaunod? Yung plastic baho man. Tawa niya. Ang plastic, sinagam lagpaon. Palit pa silang paon. Butang, gini mo may paon. Tamunan lang siya. Lagis ka na ito. May paon ka. Uy, nakakwadlaan eh. Kaya wabay gasto ba? Kaya plastic ka datlaw gasto man.
Want to see more? You can! The Hinambonan Bubo and other fishing implements used by Cebuano fisherfolk can be found at the Kabilin Center's Duyan ang Kadagatan, Cradled by the Sea exhibit, which showcases Cebuano culture and the heritage of the sea.